really have no idea why I'm doing this. It was because of Shauna, you know, because I tell them I can't swim, so I don't see why I have to do a swim lesson. And they tell me about somebody named Georgina. I don't know her, but for some reason I don't trust her already. I think the whole of them, I think they might try to drown me. Georgina, don't trust her. First I'm meeting her. Hey Georgina.
Hi, nice to meet you.
She don't look like a serial killer, tell the truth. You plan to drown me, don't?
Definitely not.
Yes?
I'm Georgina Boland. I've been teaching swimming for over 22 years. We start by developing water confidence in the persons who are non-swimmers, and then we move on to teaching them basic skills in the water, such as blowing bubbles, learning how to float, and just understanding the buoyancy of the water. And then we move into body positions such as streamlining, gliding, kicking, and then we move on to strokes, whichever stroke it is that you want to teach.
I don't have any swimming skills. I just know that I can stay up and I can swim a distance. I can't tread water, so if I get tired, I better can stand up. But I mean, I'm not an expert, but like this is not bad. I can swim from here, go across there for sure. But 8 feet, so I not when try it here, just in case I get tired quick. I can stand up, but I really don't have any skills.
Before we continue, Neville, you're going to show me what you can do. Could you swim across the pool, please?
Why you don't swim that?
Because I'm teaching you. It's not that cold. If you can, sure, go ahead. Good job.
Yes! The only swimming style I know is freestyle. That's the one. I used to go beach with my brother them and me see people and me just do I think because I'm bright.
Neville is not water safe as yet because he does not know how to breathe while he's swimming and he's not able to tread. Treading is a very important life skill, and basically you can use it in any deep water. It doesn't matter how deep the water is. If it's 100 feet deep, it doesn't matter because your aim is to stay at the top of the water. And once you can do that, whether you're in the ocean or in the pool, you're safe. In addition, you need to be able to propel yourself forward. So if you can do doggy paddle, freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, butterfly, then that along with the treading will make you water safe. Before you go to the deep, however, you're gonna practice your arms and you're gonna do a sculling motion. Basically, you push the water away from you to go out, thumb down, and then thumb up, push it in. Yes, there you go, that's it. Keep it under the water so there is no splash. Fingers together, but relax them. Nice paddles, keeping the fingers relaxed, yes. Thumb down, or turn the hands out to push out and turn them in to push in. There you go, that's it. Keep it under the water some more. That's it, very good. Do you feel the water? Yes. That's it, it gives you a nice feel of the water. Yes. So that's the motion you do with your arms when you're doing the treading. And then your legs, you basically can do a freestyle kick or you can do a breaststroke kick. It depends on what you're comfortable with. So you're gonna try and tell me which one you feel comfortable with.
Why are you not in the water?
Because I don't need to be in the water to teach you.
You don't have any bathing trunks?
I have on my swimsuit actually, but I don't need to be in the water to teach you. No.
I want to have some fun. I've never done this before. I hope she will teach me how to tread water. I really would love to learn how to tread water.
Just stay along the side and hold the wall. It's gonna start getting deep in another 2 steps, so just hold the wall. There you go. You can walk along the side because it slants, but it's shallow. There you go. That's it. Very nice. That's it. Keep going. Same action, just relax. If you go under, blow bubbles until you come back up, take a breath, and then you continue practicing. You can even practice with your face in for a while, just to feel comfortable, and then take a breath. But the idea is to keep your chin up all the time, eventually.
Tell my kids that I love them. My biggest daughter get my glasses.
Why are you letting me?
I eat the noodle. And my watch, Shauna, tuna. That's all she deserves because it's 8 feet this and I'm 6. So I might be 2 feet deep. Alright, let's go.
There you go. Keep going. Take a breath. Chin up. Good try.
That one never works so good.
Neville is an intermediate swimmer. He has the basics of freestyle, but he needs to learn how to breathe. And then for the treading, he has some the basics of breaststroke as well. So he does the breaststroke kicks naturally with his treading, and then he learned the sculling motion very quickly. He's a very good student actually. And so with practice, he would be water safe in a couple weeks possibly, because he's quite buoyant and he's confident.
First thing is, I'm tired. That's the first thing. I'm very tired. Secondly, I think I've proven that I can swim. 8 feet, I'm 6, and I just move from there to there. And I'm here.
From 8 to 8.
From 8 to 8, and I am 6. You don't believe that is, watch. Where your stick? Let go and go down, let me your stick. Lend me your stick, let go and reach, go down. Watch.
You're quite buoyant actually. He floats easily.
Yeah, what you say? Tell her about it.
Neville is quite buoyant. He floats easily.
I float like a butterfly and I sting like a bee. But I'm tired. But actually I learned something today. I still don't know if I can do it, but Georgina, thanks. I learned the aspects of treading. I still don't know if I can do it. And I think I might just try because I like the swimming thing. Because I had a little hamstring business and I'm supposed to get it stronger, and this helps.
And the little breaststroke, man. Not bad, you just need to flex your toes some more.
Never, what is going on here? Never, why you don't have any trunks?
That last part is my producer asked me to do it. Shauna said, she said I mustn't finish until I take off everything. I'm gonna go to news. I actually learned a lot, and again I want to thank my teacher, and of course Eldorado, the cameraman, was actually underwater with me filming and stuff. So we had a great time. So thanks to Shauna. What's the teacher's name again, Shauna? What? Georgina. I haven't seen her for a while, but she was great. All right, so if you want to learn to swim, you could probably find her up at Andrews High School, St. Andrews High School. Going to take a break. When we